Hey guys, this is Samantha. Thanks for stopping back and visiting my channel. I recently came across this great tutorial by Amber, and I will have her tutorial linked down in my video description for these adorable little milk cartons. And I just thought they were so cute and such a fun idea. In her video, she also has a tutorial for a milk carton crate. However, I decided that I wanted something just slightly different, and so I came up with my own design, and I thought that I would share it with you. So this is a really easy tutorial. As you can see, it holds 4 of these little milk cartons, and it's got dividers and a little handle. So let's just jump right in and get to it. I will have all of the measurements and score marks listed down in the description, but we will need a piece measuring 7 1/4 by 7 1/4. We'll need 4 pieces for the dividers that measure 1 1/2 by 4 3/4, and 1 piece for the handle that measures 4 inches by 5 inches. I've already gone ahead and matted my handle piece. As you can see, I matted it with a 1/8 inch border all the way around, and I just took a die and just cut right from the top part of the handle piece. We're going to take our 4 strips and we are going to score them at 1/4 inch, 4 1/2 inches, and 2 3/8 inch. I'm going to repeat that on my other 3 strips, and I'll be right back. Next, we're going to take our piece that measures 7 1/4 by 7 1/4, and we are going to score it at 1 1/2 inches on all 4 sides. Oops. After scoring, we're going to need to cut. So we're going to cut on the side of the score line. So just like this. So see, we have that little bump. We're going to do an angled cut like that. And do the same thing over here. Cut right along the score line so that the little bump is on the flap. We're going to cut it at an angle. This just helps to reduce bulk. And we're going to repeat up there. I'm going to do that and I'll be right back. When we're done, we'll have something that looks like this. I found that it's easier to mat this before we start to construct it. What I've done is I have cut a piece for the inside, one for the bottom, and 4 strips for the outside. I'm going to mat this and I'll be right back. After you have it matted, it will look like this. We are going to, like that, we are going to put some adhesive on our flaps. You can use any kind of adhesive that you like. Just going to put that on. And the corners up. The adhesive on the 3rd flap. Put it up. We have that last little flap. our adhesive on that part, and just gonna pinch those and leave it to dry for just a bit. We're going to take our flaps. We are going to fold 2 of them so that the 1/4 inch folds are facing inward. So it was like this, fold in, and in. We are going to glue this together there and there. So, this is adhesive. I'm going to line it up nice and straight. Then we're going to have something that looks like that. We're going to repeat on these 2. I'll do that and I'll be right back. Now we have 2 of these. We are going to take our handle and glue that on one side and then glue it on the other so that it'll be in between our dividers. Just going to put some glue on there. Just kind of eyeballing. This stuff dries clear, so want to center it. Then we are going to place adhesive on our other divider section. And adhere. You can see that we have this divider with our handle, and what we're going to do is place adhesive on these 1/4 inch flaps and just glue it into place like that. Now we're just going to place our adhesive on our flaps. Place it inside the base. Just try to get it centered as best you can. And there we have it. And you'll see that the little milk cartons that Amber has a tutorial for fit perfectly inside this cute little crate. So I hope that you will make this and that this tutorial was easy enough to follow. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below and I will do my best to help you out. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you later. Bye.